Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explaining about OOPS concept in Java. OOPS concept means object-oriented programming language. It is a methodology to design a program using classes and objects. First of all, what is class? Class is a collection of objects. Object is nothing but it is an entity that has state and behavior is known as object. Class is a logical entity and class doesn't consume any space. In OOPS concept, we have mainly focus in 4 points. First one inheritance, second one polymorphism, third one abstraction, fourth one encapsulation. First one inheritance. When one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent class is nothing but the inheritance. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. We can use this for code reusability. And second one polymorphism. If one task is performed in different ways is nothing but the polymorphism. These are two types. First one compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism allows us to use many methods with the same name but different signatures and return types. Runtime polymorphism is associated with different classes but it allows us to use the same method with different signature names. We can use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. Third one, abstraction. Abstraction means hiding internal details and showing functionality is nothing but abstraction. Hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. We use abstract class and inheritance to achieve abstraction. Fourth one, encapsulation. Wrapping code and data together into a single unit is nothing but encapsulation. For example, we can take a capsule is wrapped with different medicines. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.